Hey y'all, so can we be honest for a second? Even though I consider myself to be very frugal, like it is not a game. If I can find it at Dollar Tree, and even better if I can find it on the clearance shelf at the Dollar Tree. Y'all know how they be having the 4 for $1 and then sometimes the markdown 2 for $1. If I can get it there, chances are that's what I will do. I am going to try to pay the absolute least amount of money but still get quality. However, let's be real. Sometimes we purchase things from the Dollar Tree and we have no true expectation out of it. What I mean by that is, you in your mind, you like, it's $1, what I got to lose, but I really don't think this is gonna work. I can admit I was that way. I was being a seed snob, okay? I will admit. But I want to show you guys, I had these seeds. I had some seeds and some bulbs from the Dollar Tree, and I have no problem admitting when I am wrong, okay? I planted these seeds and these bulbs. The bulbs went down about a week and a half ago, and the seeds went down a week and a half ago, and the bulbs went in about a week ago. And I want to show you guys the progress. So just, once again, I have no problem admitting when I am wrong, but also to show all my other frugal gardeners out there that Dollar Tree is a lick, okay? Most of all my gardening tools come from the Dollar Tree. Like, I am a fan of upcycling. I try to keep my costs on the low when absolutely possible, because I want to use my money for traveling. All right, traveling when it's safe though, because she's not trying to get the Rona. But let me show y'all these progress. Come on. All right, so once again, I had little expectation, so you'll see I still got some rocks and stuff. So once again, I say all of that to say that these shamrocks here in Marigolds, they had a hard road to travel, but still in under 2 weeks time they've bloomed, and I can't wait to see what other ones pop up. But I'm here for it, y'all. Here are some more Dollar Tree delectables. So if you were trying to figure out what I planted, so I'm going to show you this one that's planted in the ground, but you can see that that's sprouting. Here is the shamrock. I can't pronounce that, but y'all see it, as well as I went ahead and sprinkled some marigolds in there, because I heard that if you sprinkle marigolds in your garden, that it helps keep things that you don't want in your garden away. So I was just like, spread them everywhere. And once again, I had low expectations, but you see them shamrocks coming through. Okay, now let me show you where this is. So I got that bulb planted next to my African lilies, and you know what, let me once again admit how it's been a hard road for this, my fur baby, because even with my African lilies, y'all see the one that's kind of on the gangster lean. It's because my fur baby, which she's a pit bull, she loves to run through here because she's used to how this area was before I started heavily planting. So she still is used to this being an open area, whereas, as you can tell, I've planted 4 flowers in that opening area. So, but nonetheless, y'all see it, it's coming through. It's coming through. Get you them angles like she getting a photo. I have no problem in putting my fellow brothers and sisters up on game. Okay, Dollar Tree might be that lick for your seeds.